This is the build part 2. We're off to a good start this spring. We've got quite a bit done. A lot of material hauled across the lake and up the hill. And we've got back to framing the second half of the cottage.
All of this has to go over there on that, pulled by that pontoon boat. It's gonna be a struggle, but we're up for it.
One of you would have been at the boat.
Yeah, tripping and sliding on the rocks.
It's a bit premature, but I got these cabinets for a really excellent deal. So they are also going up the hill like everything else. Our aim this summer is to get this half of the cottage framed in with the roof on it and dry, so that we can come and do some work in the wintertime on the inside. So this is what we got done today. Didn't work too hard, took it easy. That's the opening for the garage door. And then the opening goes the hallway into the bedroom wing. Right there. That'll go up into an opening through that wall. And then this is the door to the outside, which will be a deck down there. So I finally got the stairs between the two levels together. This is temporary treads for now, but it makes going up and down between the two buildings a heck of a lot easier. And I got my little work board set up here with all my plans, my building permit, finally getting organized now that I'm halfway through the build. And we got it all tarped. There's the giant iceberg, which will be part 2 of the cottage. Everyone's working really hard, but we're still taking time to have some fun. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to see part 1, there's a link right here. And hopefully you'll tune in, thumbs up, and see you next time.
Yeah.